Hello friends, actually these are the questions which are supposed to come for the examination point of view. Actually some of the questions of these provided to you for practice assignment. Today we'll see some another questions, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. A budget is an instrument of management used is an aid in the planning, programming, control of business activity and all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Budget includes income, expenditure, employment of capital and all of the above. All of the above. Budget is detailed plan of action, reaction, business and environment. Answer is action. Budget is based upon past statistical data, present conditions, both past statistical data and present conditions. None of the above. The answer is C, past, both A and B. Budget should be rigid, flexible, both A and B, none of the above. So it should be flexible. Budget is based on estimated sales, estimated cost, estimated business, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Financial budget functional budget is a subsidiary to variable budget, fixed budget, master budget, all of the above. Answer is master budget C. Following is functional budget, sales budget, material and purchase budget, direct labor budget. All these are functional budgets. Therefore, answer is all of the above. Production and manufacturing budget is prepared after receiving the material and purchase budget, sales budget, cash budget, none of the above. So production and manufacturing budget is prepared after sales budget. यानी कितने सेल्स होने वाले हैं उससे कंसिडर करके हमें प्रोडक्शन करना है और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना है. नंबर 10 देखो. Production budget is based upon sales budget, factory capacity, availability of raw material and labor, all of the above. यानी प्रोडक्शन बजट के लिए हमें तीनों A, B and C we have to consider. सेल्स बजट रिक्वायर्ड है, कितना प्रोडक्शन करना है, उसमें फैक्ट्री कैपेसिटी भी हमें कंसिडर करना है कि प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए प्रोडक्ट फैक्ट्री कैपेसिटी का कितना एफिशिएंसी से वर्किंग होता है. और उसके साथ साथ अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल एंड लेबर वी हैव टू कंसिडर. So production budget is based upon all of the above. Following budget may be compiled on departmental basis. Production budget, purchase budget, material budget. देखो, purchase budget and material budget is depend upon the production budget. So therefore, production budget is as answer. purchase budget is prepared using the information from capital expenditure budget, material budget, both A and B, none of the above. So purchase budget includes capital expenditure and material budget also. So purchase budget, answer is material purchase budget में हम कितना मटेरियल का परचेस करना है इसे ही कंसिडर करते हैं, इसीलिए आंसर इज मटेरियल बजट. Following may be regarded as a summary budget: production budget, master budget, cash budget and sales budget. So master budget is the answer. The major current assets are cash and marketable securities, account receivable, inventory and all of the above. So all of the above are current assets. Therefore answer is D. The basic current liabilities are account payable and bills payable, bank overdraft, outstanding expenses, all of the above. So answer is D, all of the above. There are two companies of working capital. There are two concepts of working capital, gross and net. Answer is B, gross and net. Working capital refers to the firm's investment in current assets. Distinctive: working capital refers to the firm's investment in current asset, that is gross current assets. Answer is C. 18. Working capital refers to the difference between current assets and current liabilities. Net working capital means net working capital is difference between current assets and current liabilities. A dash net working capital will be arise when current asset exceed current liabilities. Excessive of आंसर इज डी पॉजिटिव. अगर माइनस आंसर रहा तो वर्किंग कैपिटल माइनस में है, डी पॉजिटिव. 20. A dash net working capital occurs when current liabilities are exceeding current assets. A negative net working capital occurs when current liabilities are exceeds of current liabilities. अगर करंट लायबिलिटीज ज्यादा है तो उसे नेगेटिव नेट वर्किंग कैपिटल कहते हैं. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन करंट असेट शुड बी just adequate, more, less, maximum. Answer is just adequate. On the basis of working capital is calculated, a gross working capital and net working capital. Concept: on the basis of concept, working capital is calculated as gross and net. Further important questions we will take. देखो, in responsibility accounting system, budget A, budgets are prepared, actual performance recorded, the performance is reported, and all the above. So in responsibility accounting, budgets are prepared, actual performance recorded, and performance is reported. So all of the above is answer. 37. The responsibility accounting emphasizes the performance of systems, main, both, A and B, none of the above. Main. The responsibility accounting is also called profitability accounting and activity accounting. So answer is both profitability accounting and activity accounting. The responsibility accounting is a part of financial accounting, management accounting, mechanized accounting, and none of the above. So answer is management accounting. The responsibility accounting is controlling tool for top level management, lower level management, middle level management, and none of the above. So answer is this is top level management. 41. Which of the following system emphasizes on cost control? Cost accounting, responsibility accounting, financial accounting, none of the above. So responsibility accounting. Answer is responsibility accounting. The responsibility center come under the responsibility of cost accountants, management accountant, responsibility managers, and auditors. So responsibility managers, the responsibility centers comes under the responsibility of responsibility managers. Answer is C. 43. The subdivision of responsibility center is expense center, profit center, investment center, and all of the above. So all of the above, these are the classifications of responsibility centers: expense center, profit center, investment center. So all of the above is answer. The accounting department is an organization is investment center, expense center, profit center, all of the above. Answer is A, investment center. What is the main advantages of responsibility accounting? Improves performance, it fixes responsibility, helpful in decision making, all of the above. So all of the above is answer. Okay, thank you.